how to select just one clip on the timeline of Davinci Resolve version 17 so that I can deliver it. On the Edit tab, place this red vertical line on top of, let's say, that clip there, and press the X key on the keyboard, X, and then this in point and out point was automatically added, and now only this one will be delivered. If I go with the playhead over there and there I press X, then that one is selected. X, X, and so on. Alt and X is clearing this selection. Alt+X, and everything went away. You can do the same thing from Mark up here in the menu, and here's the X, Mark clip. That one is selecting one clip from the beginning till the end. And also at Mark, Alt+X is the clear in and out. Okay, so let's go over there, press X, go to deliver. The same thing is selected here also. Type in a name, whatever you want, and make the selections. Add to render queue. It is this one, and it's rendering only this portion of the video of the entire timeline.